welcome student to my channel 12 Biology. At first I want to say that my channel is created for only cover up the class 12 chapter of biology, but I think that my channel not only cover the chapter of class 12, from now also cover the class 11th chapter, which is very helpful in present lockdown situation of those students which are Bengali medium and also English medium student. Therefore, one of my friends, Tanusu Devnath, completed her MSc degree and pursuing so many another courses. Collaborate with me. So let's start and subscribe my channel. Let's start.
Welcome everyone. Today is another video about the cell organism. Today I discuss about the structure and function of the endoplasmic reticulum or ER. ER is a very important cell organism of the eukaryotic cell. In the year 1945, the scientist Potter first invented ER in the cytoplasm of a chick. The term endoplasmic means inside the cytoplasm and the term reticular means network. So it means that the network of a cytoplasm within a cell. It is a tube-like membranous interconnecting structure. It is filled with fluid. It presents almost all eukaryotic cells, but mostly absent in erythrocyte cell, ovum, embryonic cell and prokaryotic cell. It covers most part of the cytoplasm matrix. At present manner, the origin of ER is not definitely known, but most of the hypotheses said that ER is budded from nuclear envelope. In this picture, there is nuclear envelope, this is outer envelope, this is inner envelope. The ER appears by outfolding of outer membrane of nuclear envelope. Here see this. The ER is appear by outer membrane of nuclear envelope. On the basis of morphology, endoplasm reticulum made of three types of structure. Here this picture we saw three types of structure. One is called cisternae, second one is called tubules, third one is vesicles. The cisternae is a flat, unbranched sac-like element. Lie sac parallel one to another. It bears ribosome. The red line indicates the ribosome. The space between one cisternae to another cisternae is called cisternal space or lumen. This space, one cisternae and another cisternae, this space is called cisternal space or lumen. It contains glycoprotein named ribofourin 1 or ribofourin 2 that bind the ribosome. The another structure is tubules. These are irregular branching elements which are formed network along the other element. Here no ribosome present, so the wall of these tubules are smooth. Third structure is vesicles. This is oval rounded shaped vacuole-like element. Here also no ribosome present. So in this picture, this was the cisternae. Here the ribosome is present. So the wall of this cisternae are irregular. Here this is the tubules. Here no ribosome is present. So the wall of these tubules are smooth. And this is the third number element, that is vesicle. Here also no ribosome is present. So the wall is smooth. On the basis of molecular structure, ER mainly two types. One is rough endoplasmic reticulum, which is rough due to presence of ribosome, and another one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This is smooth because here no ribosome is present. In these pictures, ribosome is present outer surface, and the ribosome of the structure which is responsible for protein synthesis. RER mainly consists of cisternae. RER is located near and continuous with the outer layer of the nuclear envelope. Here this picture shows that RER is located near and continuous with nuclear envelope. This is ACR. This is ACR. Here no ribosomes present, but ACR continuous with RER. Here this RER and this ACR. This is continuous with RER. So here the basic difference of rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum are: in case of RER, here the ribosomes present, but in case of ACR, no ribosomes present. RER mainly originate of outer surface of nuclear envelope, but ACR is originated by RER by shedding of ribosome. RER mainly composed of cisternae. This is cisternae. RER is mainly composed of cisternae, but ACR is mainly composed of tubules. RER mainly present in nuclear membrane and ACR mainly present in plasma membrane. RER mainly synthesize protein and ACR mainly synthesize lipid and fat. RER mainly present in protein forming cell and ACR mainly present in lipid forming cell. Main function of ER are: ER create the nuclear envelope at the time of cell division. ER form the network in cytoplasmic reticulate matrix. This given the mechanical support to the cell. In case of RER, in the presence of ribosome, it play the main function of protein biosynthesis. ACR produce Golgi apparatus vacuoles. In muscle cells, ACR regulate the calcium ion concentration. ACR bring about the detoxification of the liver, that is, it convert the harmful material into harmless one for the extraction by the cell. So thank you everyone. If you like my video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.